7 hybrid animals you won't believe until you see. Zebroid. A zebroid, often referred to as a zedong, zebrule, or zebra mule, is the result of mating the famous zebra with any other horse. It is simply a zebra hybrid. The sire is typically a zebra stallion in most situations. The term zebroid is used to refer to all zebra hybrids collectively. The names of the various hybrids are typically created using a portmanteau of the names of the sire and the dam. The type of zebra utilized often does not make a clear distinction. Examples include Zoni, Zorse, Zonky, Zebrule, and a few others. Jaglion. The Jaglion is another fascinating and magnificent big cat hybrid that results from the union of a female lion and a male jaguar. Jaglions are rather uncommon, thus, there isn't much that is known about them. However, 2 Jaglion kittens were born as a result of an entirely accidental mating between a black jaguar and a lioness. One has the beautiful rosette pattern spotting of a jaguar and the coloring of a lion. The dominant melanin gene found in black jaguars gave the other an amazing dark gray coat with black patches. Lingwars are the offspring born from the opposite mating of a female jaguar and a male lion. Wolfen. A female bottlenose dolphin and a male orca whale were able to mate, creating the extremely unusual hybrid known as the wolfen or wolfen. Although both species are taxonomically members of the oceanic dolphin family, which is part of the toothed whale suborder, the name implies that they are a hybrid of a whale and a dolphin. Despite the fact that they have been claimed to exist in the wild, there are only 2 known to live in captivity, both of which are housed in Hawaii's Sea Life Park. Wolfens are not frequently seen by fishermen, but in seafaring folklore, they are referred to as the dreaded great gray beast. Growler bear. This polar bear is a rare hybrid in the Ursidae family and is also known as a prizzly bear, pizzly bear, or growler bear. As the years passed, First Nation peoples in North America began to tell stories about such extraordinary creatures. But it wasn't until DNA samples had been retrieved from a strange-looking bear that had been discovered in 2006. Close to Sax Harbor in the Canadian Arctic that their existence had finally been established. Liger. The liger is a rare hybrid animal created by crossing a male lion with a tigress. As a result, although its parents are from the same genus, they are from quite different species. It is the largest known extant feline and considerably different from the related hybrid tiglin. Ligers are highly gregarious like lions and enjoy swimming, which is a frequent trait of tigers. Since the habitats of the parental species do not exactly coincide in the wild, tigers are primarily found in captivity. The ranges of lions and tigers actually overlapped in the past, when the Asiatic lion was extremely common, and there are several tales of ligers living in the wild. Notably, ligers grow larger than either of their parent species, unlike tiglons which are usually about as large as a female tiger. Beefalo. The domestic cow species Bos taurus and the American bison are thought to have produced the viable hybrid offspring known as the beefalo. Then, with a focus on producing meat, the breed was developed to integrate the distinctive traits of the 2 animals. The breed association defines a whole beefalo as having bison genetics. Beefalo are similar to cattle in look and genetics. On the other hand, creatures with a higher proportion of bison genetics are referred to as bison hybrids. The development of the beefalo has since been shown to be a significant setback for the protection of wild American bison. Since the majority of modern buffalo herds are either genetically contaminated or partially crossbred with cattle, they are actually referred to as beefalo. Geep. An adorable cross between a goat and a sheep, the geep is one of the coziest and sweetest hybrid animals. The geep is incredibly rare, in addition to being utterly cute. Experts have even argued over whether the geep is a true hybrid or just a sheep with genetic problems. Cross-species conception is, after all but impossible because goats and sheep have different amounts of chromosomes. Even if it occurs, only a small percentage of pregnancies end in birth, and even fewer survive. Whatever the case, viewing images of geeps is sure to put a grin on your face.